There we go. I saved it.
Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do that again. Today we are out in Paradiso finishing up the 2x4 project. We're like on the third day after cleaning it out and moving it. And now we're getting ready to fill it with the rocks and dirt and all that kind of stuff that you saw in the earlier episode. But this time, I'm going to put down some, whatever you call this, hardware fabric. This is 1/2 inch hardware fabric, and we're going to put that at the bottom to keep stuff from going through and coming up and critters from crawling up. So yesterday I spent the day cutting this out from a strip. I didn't record that because I thought it'd be pretty boring to watch me cutting. I didn't want to show a video of me clipping that up, but I do want to give you one little tip. When I cut the hardware fabric, I use one of these instead of like little wire clippers, and it will cut through this just like cloth. It goes pretty quickly, and you get like several inches at a time instead of doing one at each. So I highly recommend, if you need to cut more than just a couple feet of hardware cloth, get one of these. We're not sponsored by this company, it's just something that works really well. Good to have. These are the original slats. This is a 2x4 that we built from scratch using cedar planks. And so these are on the bottom, they're loose, and so we're going to put some hardware cloth on top of it to hold them down and keep things from falling through or from crawling up through it. First I'm going to put these two pieces on the ends, like this. Cover the slots at the end, or just cover the gaps at the end. And this is going to fit in right on top of it. Squeeze it down like this, and then just push it down. Hold those in, should just fit right in there. And then these little loose ends are going to dig in. This in like this. Alright, good. Then we are ready. So the next thing we're going to do, I'm just going to dump these rocks back in here. And we're just going to...
Give me a shot.
Looks great.
Last time we had hardware, landscape fabric in there up the sides, so.
That's right. Should we do something?
I don't know if we should or not. I'm looking at the gaps in the fencing, and I'm thinking maybe, I think it's a 50-50.
I'll be honest, I'm 50-50 because it looks like
they're bowing.
It held moisture in.
That's why I'm 50-50. I don't know if
damage.
it did. Yeah. Let's try it without.
Let's try it without.
Worst that happens.
If you want to put some, we could just put some. We don't need it to be underneath.
A strip at the gap. That's what I was thinking. The only.
Oh, just cover the gap.
Just up high. Well, that's kind of what we did.
Okay. Do you have the hardware? You have.
Well, we could put in. Oh, here we go. Okay. Finally, brain kicks in. Let's use cardboard.
We use Oh, excellent. We had a little problem. We want to like cover the gaps here so that the water doesn't all. You can see where all the water leaks out right here. And so we want to cover the slots. We had been using a weed cloth, but the weed cloth kind of it falls apart after a while. So we're going to try cardboard to fill those gaps. And I think we just need like just one. Yeah, just one of these. Right? Just.
Yeah, just.
There we go. Perfect. It goes all the way to the edge. Perfect. Perfect coverage. All right. We are done. So that wasn't too bad. All right, we are ready to start putting the dirt in. Fortunately, Sharon had a great idea. There's gaps between the slots here, so we put some cardboard in. It didn't take long. I'm ready to start filling it up, and we will be done with this project. And the crow agrees. He's throwing stuff at us. He is throwing stuff at us. But here's the mountain of dirt that I moved from the other side. You didn't see me putting this here. I didn't film it, but we are ready. Let's uncover this thing. I've got rocks.
Ramp.
Wonder, is there a way to set this up? Yeah, just dump the rest of it in.
Those will probably be edging.
Yeah, those will definitely get used. Never
Rocks are good.
have had a shortage of rocks. A big muddy thing.
Exactly.
So
It's twice the work.
Twice as much. It's one big chunky thing that I have to
Break apart.
break apart. So, yeah.
Well, it's like
The main thing I wanted to do was get this pile of dirt moved into the 2x4 so that when the rains come the next day or two, it doesn't turn a big muddy mess. We're almost there. One more wheelbarrow full. And we've got another load or two from the 4x4, but we're going to probably do that tomorrow, depending on the weather. So let's get this finished up and out of here.
Blaze has his scraper in that pile of
Oh,
shells.
perfect.
Yeah,
Great
I
idea.
like that. There we go.
I may just have to leave some in here and then pick it up tomorrow.
Worse? Okay.
Shoulder by shoulder. There is like a wheelbarrow.
Tony always has this look on his face.
Cardboard in. Yeah, so this goes right up to the top of the cardboard. That's kind of what I was expecting. So that's great. There's a couple rocks. That's cool.
That's fine. Yeah.
We'll put that in there. All right, here goes. I definitely have to be the last time I do that today. All right, doesn't have to be perfect. I don't have to be smooth, but we are done for the day. Mission accomplished. We've got the 2x4 from that side of the yard over here. And it's back. It's refilled with all the contents, all the soil and rocks it had before. We're going to put another layer of potting soil on top of that we're taking from this other planter, and that will be in another episode. But we're pretty much done with this project. Thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventures. See you next time.